Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable Touch ID on the Admirals application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the services button down below and then click on settings. Then you should tap on enable Touch ID. In the right side you can see this button, and after that you should use your fingerprint to enable it. As you can see, it has been turned on. If you want to turn it off, you can do so anytime by coming back to this section and then tapping on this button in the right side, so it will be turned off automatically. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.